Hello, Amir here. I have developed this invoice automation system. So this is the settings sheet where we have the email address to which we want to send the PDF invoices, email subject, email body. This is the email template, right? We can change it and update it accordingly. We can place any logo over here. This is the template sheet. These are the line item sheets where we have populated the line items for each customer. Right now, you can select all of them. In this case, we should have 3 PDF invoices for customer 1, 2, and 3. These are the line items mentioned against each, right? So let us generate the invoices. It will ask us which sheet is involved in invoice generation. We will see. Okay, template is involved. To generating invoices, which will automatically deselect the line items which have been processed. Completed. Now we can see that 3 invoices have been generated, right? With the desired information, and the same has been automatically sent through email with the predefined email subject and email body